How to hide Instagram active status for one specific person. So to do that, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram now, to hide your active status for just one person on your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this as can see now message section at the top right side. Tap on this message section at the top right side. After you open the message section, as can see now, all you have to do now, go ahead and open the person that you want to hide your active status with him. So let's say I want to hide my active status with this person, this one. All I have to do now, after I open the person now, tap on this as can see now, tap on the person name at the top. After you tap on the person name, now as can see now, tap on this more, as can see, tap on this option. After you tap on this option, all you have to do now, you can go ahead and tap on this restrict button. So tap on this restrict account. So by tapping on this restrict account, now it moves the person to this request section. As you can see now, if I tap on this request section, now I can be able to see the person. Whenever the person send me a message, his message will be at this request section. So now this person cannot be able to see me when I am online on Instagram. I hide my active status for this only one person on Instagram. That's it guys for today's video. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.